Many athletes often feel a pressure or desire to keep going, despite the fact that something's wrong. In fact, data shows that at least among football players, 50 to 80% of concussions go unreported and untreated. Even subconcussive hits can add up to a measurable damage over time. Research has shown that an overload of subconcussive hits is linked to a degenerative brain disease known as chronic traumatic encephalopathy, also known as CTE. People with CTE frequently have changes in their mood or behavior, followed by thinking or memory loss. The culprit is a protein known as tau. Usually, tau supports tiny tubes in our axons called microtubules. Repeated subconcussive damage to the microtubules causes the tau proteins to dislodge and clump together. The microtubules, in return, collapse because the tau protein is no longer supporting them. This disrupts the communication along the neuron, which inhibits the brain from making connections. Once tau starts clumping together, it causes more clumps to form. Even after head impacts have stopped, the clumps continue to spread. This deterioration of the brain is caused by large clumps of the tau protein called neurofibrillary tangles. The pattern that the tau protein is in is unique to only the CTE disease. Brain trauma causes isomerization of a specific protein in tau. Isomerization is the process by which one molecule is transformed into another molecule that has exactly the same number of atoms. This causes a structural twist that opens the protein up to aggressive phosphorylation. After this occurs, aggregation happens. Aggregation is the formation of a protein into a large cluster. Even when people face brain injuries, giving up is usually not an option when it comes to important sporting events and activities. But is continuing really worth it when the risks impact memory, behavior, thinking, and even mental health? There have been multiple cases of people who have developed depression from the effects of CTE and have ended their life. Protect your brain, it is worth it.